seen the hook, y'all didn't have no ladder.
Yeah. That's how we get it
I
done.
had mad ladders on me. I didn't see no ladder. I said, oh, no. They did, I know they did.
So we just had steaks on it.
Oh, man. Y'all eating that
Steaks and burgers. Oh yeah. Let me see what else I got on here. We're in
Tree has been taken down.
That's it.
Thank the Lord.
Now that's my whole area there, my whole little lumber yard. That's 4 barrels put together. All you need is just 1 barrel. That's all stuff I burned. That's all, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's it. That's it.
You know how to go?
There's nothing like a nice juicy steak on the fire.
Oh, yes.
Nothing like it.
Oh, yes.
Like you can breathe back in now.
Right, definitely.
Yeah.
All that noise right there. Every time the wind blows, you hear it straight.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Oh, God. He's gonna cut that. Charles, you better move before you get bopped upside your head. That's amazing. Amazing.
The guy had his son. He used to come here and do it. He the one who took it down a little bit. He did that. He did a lot of that tree over there. And
Oh.
his son was playing. I helped him.
Uh-huh.
So I knew he had to come over here soon too.
Right. Oh, okay.
He got hurt.
Oh.
And I want to know doing this.
Mm-hmm.
Or something else. Well, something happened to him. I know he wasn't eating well. He hurt his foot.
Oh.
So I asked him, we know what happened to him.
Oh, you mean Cobb?
Yeah,
He's sick.
that's what I'm talking about.
He ain't hurt himself. He's sick.
Oh, he's sick. Yeah, you know that. Oh, it's a good dude, man.
Woo! Careful. Oh, my God. Woo! Wow. That is great. Great. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing.
So I got up at 3 feet. You're definitely going in the barrel.
Yeah.
You gonna get a barrel, Charles?
Yeah, I'm going to get a barrel.
Okay, good. Where you get that from?
I don't know. I'm going to buy one.
Probably a hardware store?
Nah, I don't buy no brand, but you get a whole barrel.
that is great.
Yeah, definitely a lifesaver.
Alright.
That is wonderful. Woo!
Yep.
We gonna have a bonfire. It's like, oh my gosh, this is great. This is so wonderful.
We would have had another one lined up, but the guy never called me.
Oh,